He's like, oh, for the coolant thing, 4,000.
The same thing that we got
Same thing.
supposedly done in Connecticut.
I'm not gonna shout them out.
Yeah,
Who
we
did it in
don't
Connecticut?
even go
I'm
because
trying-
we bigger than that.
Yeah.
When they
But
go low, we go
I
high.
definitely want to go low with them.
We-
4,000 for that.
Yep.
1,500 for like something with the brakes, and
Yeah,
just say he
no,
was like,
that
you
joint
don't
was
have to do it
15
now, but
yeah.
it's gonna be a problem. And then
Yeah.
there was another 4,000 for like the oil pump
Some
stuff.
oil pump that I'm like, what was the issue with that?
So
Yo, when I saw the bottom total, it was like 9 G's. I was like, are you kidding me?
like no,
But I knew they was legit though.